That'd be good. That'd be a good bit of clickbait, wouldn't it? You guys, I got boobs. Long time no see. If you're new, I'm Ava. And if you're not new, it's me. I'm Ava, and I'm back. As you can tell by the title, this is a boob video. You might be thinking, haven't you already done a boob video? I've actually done, I think I've done 2. Well, I've had 2 sets of boobs before, but they've all broke. Through no fault of their own, it's through the fault of just overly excited twinks wanting to try on my boobs and then just ripping them. And it's happened twice now, and they don't even know. For all they know, I paid for them, so, like, I have a right to be angry about that. But as if from, like, some sort of amazing divine timing, these people have reached out to me. They've given me some boobs. Now, they have a whole website full of stuff. Ronia? I don't know if it's Ronia or Ronia. They have a bunch of stuff on their website. A whole selection. They've got stuff for going to male or female. So they've got boobs. They've got the pants. They are the funniest thing I think I've ever seen. They've got full body suits. They've just got bodysuits without the arms. They've got bodysuits that's just a torso. They've got the pants. They've got pants that go down to the knee. They go past the knee. They've got full leggings. They've got all of that. They've got face masks, and they've also got the male equivalents that come with extra equipment, and also top halves of bodies for those. It's all they've got a lot of stuff. It's really cool and fun, and they told me I could pick something, and I was really tempted to get one of like the full body suits because that would have been silly and fun. But I think I'm a really unique size, being like really tall, really skinny. Probably not sample size for that website. So what they were able to fit me in with is a breastplate. So we love a breastplate anyway. They're versatile, they're good, they go with most outfits, they're not too hard to put on or wear, they're not as much of a commitment as a skin suit. Now obviously I don't mind wearing like the flat-chested look, but let's try some boobs on. Oh, so exciting. And here's the box. It comes in a box. Oh! Right. You wanted a shot with me holding the box with the logo. Here you go, this is it. Doing this as if it's going to be the thumbnail, but the thumbnail is absolutely going to include the boobs, so why am I even bothering? Right. Really cute little box here that comes with a bikini. I'm not going to wear the bottom half because I am actually getting ready for work, but I'll put the top half on. But I'll do that to protect my modesty once I've got the boobs on. Which, speaking of, here they are. Look at they're in these fun little, like, plastic things, one for each breast. Taking that off right now. Oh, it's like POV. You are the boobs. Right, here they are. So I don't really want to show them uncovered because then I feel like that kind of steps it into like risky booby territory. So what I'll do is I'll show you them, but cover the nipples. I'm just going to pick them up by the nipples. Here they are. Whoa. Okay. Oh, this skin's interesting. This is darker than what I think I'm used to, but also it looks a bit darker than me. It looks darker than my arms, but I think it'll match me fine. It's got a nice pink undertone to it, much like me. Yeah, I've got a few shades there. The nipples I'm looking at right now are... Oh, they're always a little bit obscene, these things. They're always, like, massive. You know, what's the middle bit called? The nub. And then there's all this little detailing around it of all of on the rest of the areolar bumps. For educational purposes. Because we're educating people how to be filthy cross-dressers. Oh, see, now I've got my makeup on ready for work, and I'm going to have to put this thing on over my face, and I'm just really worried I'm going to mess it all up, because I hate putting these things on and off. But we'll do it. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a wig cap on, because I hate it when these things pull on your hair. And, you know, I only just did my roots, which is why I look a bit funny. Just not trying to have my hair get pulled out. I'd hate to be doing this in the winter. These things can get really cold, and then once they're on, they get really warm. Do I want to do arms first or neck first? I think I'll try and do neck first. I don't know, I've never ripped one of these things. Also, yes, I've got one that has a high neck on it, so it's almost like wearing like a flesh turtleneck. Normally with these, with like a lot of cheap breastplates, they kind of come down to here, and you have to find like a necklace that covers this. Whereas with this has a neck, so you can just hide it under your jaw. It's harder to do on someone like me because I've got like, you know, really strong pronounced jawline, really skinny neck, not much fat going on around here. But if you have like a little bit of body fat here, then you can just kind of like hide it under there and just, you know, just hide it under one of your rolls. Oh, as if I'm doing this with lashes on. Kind of satisfying as you unroll it onto yourself. And it does that nice slapping sound. Like, it's not even on properly yet, and already I really like it. So form-fitting. Look at that neck. You almost... you wouldn't clock it. Right, I'm going to put this thing on. For the sake of the review. Well, what do we think? I've probably not got this thing on too right, but you know what? That's right enough. These are such a good, small, realistic size. Normally they look ridiculous on someone as skinny as me, but these look so good. I'm so happy with these. And it looks like this bra is really pushing them together, but it's not. This, you know, even without, they are nice and close to each other. There you go. And the colour's really good. And if you wanted, you could put makeup on this. Just a little bit. I've seen different techniques for putting makeup on these things, but it is possible if you're dying to do it. I mean, on camera, I'm looking in the viewfinder right now, and it's like, you can see a little bit of like the join here, but if you put something on to hide it, you won't know. I'm gonna get like a shirt or something. Okay, so I just changed into like a little shirt thing. I've never tried this on before. It's a really cropped shirt, but it's cute. And I just threw a wig on because I was looking a bit weird with no wig. I just kind of grabbed any old wig I had. I probably could have picked a better one. But I'm in a kind of a rush because I've got to go to work. And this is not what I'm wearing to work, so I'm just kind of whatever. But there you go. I look really tanned in these. They are a little bit darker than me, but I don't mind that so much, you know. But, oh, don't they look so good? So they come with all these other details. You've got, you know, a bit of your collarbone, some clavicle detailing. It is really tight. So the last breastplate I had that was like this, it looked like it gave me a big neck. And that's why I didn't really enjoy wearing it too much. I thought I looked bigger. Whereas this one, I don't really think it's given me that big neck problem. It kind of just looks like my neck. Which is great. Throw some jewellery on there and it's sound. Again, I would throw jewellery on, but I can't really be bothered. It's not really to hide this line because, like, what kind of necklace is going to cover that? The only reason I would wear a necklace is to distract from the lines. So then you've got all this details and stuff going on here. You're not going to notice this little slight difference in skin here. I really enjoy how pushed together the breasts are, though. Like, that's really good. Throw a bit of highlighter on there and it'd be stunning. I've got to say thank you to Ronya. Thank you so much for sending this to me, and you know, this is an approval, an endorsement. Get them. But honestly, check their website out anyway, because they've got a bunch of sales. Anyway, so their website is www.ronya.com. I'm going to leave it on the screen, but that's ROANYER.com. Now, every time I've been on their site, they've got a bunch of sales on, so check them out, see if you can get yourself a deal. That's it for me. I haven't made a video in a long time, and I don't know when I'm going to post this one. I don't know if this is going to be my comeback video to be like, I've got boobs. That'd be a good bit of clickbait, wouldn't it? It's nice getting back into it. I'm really busy because I work so much, and then work seems to forget that I want to do things other than work. And then when I'm not in work, I either have to do other simple things like living, like, I don't know, tidying up and doing the dishes and buying food and cooking. And then sometimes I need to go home and visit my family. Where am I going to fit in the time to do my own stuff and my own hobbies? I'm not. So, honestly, it's nice to be able to film again, but I would like to be able to do it more. Who knows if I'm going to be able to do it anymore or not. We'll just have to... It's hard being a victim of your own success and being good at your job, you know what I mean? But yeah, anyway, thank you. Please check them out. There's also going to be all of the information that you do need in the description down below. Other than that, please check out my channel. So many different things, whether that's makeup tutorials, drag transformations, product reviews, wig reviews, makeup reviews, and boob reviews. Got so many different things on my channel, please check those out. I've also got social media where I'm way more active. You can check me on Instagram, I post there very regularly, and that's where you see all the good pictures that don't make it to YouTube and all of that. So please go and check that out. Yeah, honestly, let me know what you think, if you like this video, if you want more videos like this, or if you don't. And also, if you could please subscribe so you can get notified about any future videos, ring the bell, you know what they say. I'm working on so many different videos, I've got so many things filmed, I just need to work on editing them and putting them out there, which takes ages because my internet's really slow. But is that all? I'm sure there's more to say, but honestly, I think that'll do. Bye!